Hey, what's up, you guys? So, today I am going to be doing something. I'm going to be doing something. Y'all saw that reel, and she was doing that something. Anyways, so this is the end of my natural. So we're gonna say goodbye. I need to stop moving it. Not moving it, but to my natural hair. After this, I am going back to the creamy. I don't know if I can say that word or not on camera, but yeah. So, yeah, let's just go and get this video started and we can chit chat while I'm doing my hair. Yes, y'all. I had to step over to the dark side because, oh my gosh, like my natural was not working. Since I took my locks out, that's one of the reasons why I ended up like cutting my hair. Yeah, because it's a short. Anyways, doesn't even matter. But right now I'm just like basing my ears, my forehead, pretty much my skin and my scalp. Now the real reason why I got a relaxer is because one day I was taking a shower and I'm shampooing my hair, y'all, and I'm literally pulling out like globs of hair, and I have like a hole in my hair, which you will actually like see. And then I knew, like, honestly, like my hair, it just was not working anymore, which we're going to dive more into that when I actually do the relaxer, because I got something to say. Hold on, y'all. It's saying to let it process for 15. Now I don't know why I just said relaxer's gonna change over the course of time, y'all. I went to school for this. Definitely went to school for this. So, you can tell I have my top section off. So, cause I have to save my hairline for last. More so like down here. I can still do like my ends. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and keep this clipped. We are going to start relaxing. Sorry, I'm just looking in my mirror. Let's just go ahead and get started. And before I'll say something, yes, I have patches. I do. So this is not chemical. I like legit have. Oh wow, you can really see that. Oh, wow. Yeah, that is wild. Yeah, you can, girl, just do your hair. Okay, so when I tell y'all I'm sad, I cried so much about my hair from the time I had to comb in my locks leading up to like this point. I cried so hard, and I don't know if you watched my first wash day video after taking my locks out. Part of me wish I just would have stuck with it. I just would have put some box braids in my hair or did a sew-in and just like went from there, because I don't have a lot of regrets in life, but I can honestly say this time going around I definitely regret cutting my hair. Now, will my hair still would have fallen out like that? Honestly, I couldn't even say, but my hair has fallen out before. I believe I talked about it in my video. It's like the nape of my hair. Like I have an undercut now, and that's not new to me. But for the crown of my hair to do that is what really like surprised me. And so in my mind, I'm just like, okay, so if I go ahead and relax my hair, smooth it down, it can lay flat, and we can highlight that bald spot. Well, we're gonna highlight a bald spot. And for real, y'all, I always said like my next step was to get like a pixie cut. So honestly, I really wasn't that bothered by this because I wanted a relaxed pixie cut anyways. So yeah. Okay, so this is how we're looking. I have not combed anything out yet. I just set my timer for 15. You saw as I was going through, I was adding some more in the back. I kind of just like want to let it be for a little bit. I don't have like any burning or anything like that right now. Oh, that hurt. Yeah. yeah, you can see I still have some curl. It's definitely doing what it's supposed to do. Oh, this is why you base your ears. So I'm gonna let this sit on a little bit longer, depending on how it's looking. I might have to go back in. I'm not 100% sure yet. Like, you know, like part it, because I did not go in with a brush. As you saw, I just went in with my fingertips. Oh, yeah, I just went in. I'm sorry, y'all. I just thought it was up there. I just colored my hair not too long ago. So this is the part I'm kind of nervous about the most, is that part, because I colored it not so long ago. But anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna kind of just like let it be for a little bit. I keep saying that as I keep molding, right? I keep doing all this stuff. So probably should create a thumbnail. Not sure how I'm going to create a thumbnail, but I'll figure out a thumbnail. So all right, I'll catch y'all in a little bit. All right, so I just had to pop one. I only came back in here to stop my timer, but this is probably, I feel like, either my third or my fourth shampoo. I think it's my third. I think after this I'm gonna stop. So the first time when I did it, of course, you know, like I still had like some, what is it? It was purple. It had like that purple, you know, got the tint to it. But after that, it's been, I mean, it's like a small tint. I don't know if you can really tell. I don't know if you really tell, but it has like a very small tint. So I'm gonna like shampoo one more time just to be 100% clear. I'm gonna use instructions.
Okay, so neutralizing. I've been doing that.
So I just pretty much just gotta keep doing it until it's no more. So that's what the instructions say. So I've been using a little bit. I really been working it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I can just see it already. And y'all know I got that color in there. Oh, I cannot wait to style my hair. And I got a wedding Saturday. Well, by the time this is posted, like the wedding will be, oh my gosh, it's about to be, okay, I gotta hurry up because it's about to be so. All right, what's up, y'all? So I'm under the dryer right now. Yeah, I got like a real dryer. And then my salon chair. Ignore myself. But anyway, so I'm under the dryer. I cannot wait to show y'all how it looks. So this is the conditioning treatment after you do your relaxer. This is like the conditioning treatment. So you do this for, I think, like 15, 20. I'm gonna do like 15. You see, I got good old handy dandy Kroger bag or Walmart or a grocery bag. And then after that, I will show you guys and we will mold it down. And I guess we'll just go from there. All right, y'all, I'm back. Here go the reveal. I already saw it, so but here is a reveal. Well, I can't do too much shaking, but this is how it turned out. I'm excited. I gotta check out the back of my hair. Let me hang on my towel first. Hang on my towel. Oh, let me see the back of my hair. Let's see. How does it look? Yeah, it looks really good. I definitely could have let it process like a little longer, like in some spots that like are on, they're still a little bit on the straight side. Okay, now let's see, how did this middle do? This was it's kind of hard to see. Here we go. I mean, it is what it is. My hair can cover it. One thing, what I'm about to do, I think I'm about to like re-shampoo my hair and use like a regular conditioner. I don't care too much for how this conditioner is like filling in my hair. You know what? No. Let's just rock it out. We just gonna rock it out right now. And yeah, let me take my glasses off. We just gonna rock it out. So this is what we got. This is what we're working with. Let me go and get the molding. All right, so got the good old comb. So what I'm thinking, because of like how my hair is actually like done. Yeah, I can tell it could have processed a little longer, but no, because it ain't gotta be like silky smooth straight. Maybe just a little bit. Because honestly, y'all, I cut it off sooner than what I'm supposed to because I was a little nervous. I didn't want my hair to I didn't want it to over process, and I was like really nervous. So I definitely, let me see. It's kind of hard to see where that spot is. I think I should be cool. It looks like, and it's slash, it feels like it's covering it up. So what we are going to do, because eventually, like when it dries, I'm gonna like pull my bangs out this way and give it like a soft swoop. But initially, I am going to I'm gonna do it like this. And then two, I mean, cause since my hair is long enough, I personally, I'm sorry, the timer kind of like kicked me out, but I just personally feel like I'll be cool. I feel like I'll be fine. So I'm going in with Design Essentials. If it'll ever come out. Well, oh, okay, all right. Or we can do that. Oh, and that's my ear. Yeah. So, this is like, yeah. But so I'm gonna go in with Design Essentials with their this is their foam and wrap lotion. All right, let me save y'all the heartache, all right, of listening to me ramble on about, I don't even know y'all. Even I was like, Marissa, what are you even talking about? So this is my first time using the Design Essentials, period, on my own hair, relaxed or even natural, doesn't matter. So this one was definitely something different for me. And yeah, I just used that to mold it. I didn't add any other product. I don't even know if I even put oil on my hair first again, because I'm just trying to figure this out. But that's all. I was just rambling on about products that I use in my hair, my client's hair, and y'all ain't gotta listen to all that. Product line. Now it also just like really all depends on what it is. If it's, you know what, I'll still do. Oh, it's about to be so cute. I'm sorry, y'all. This is about to be. I don't know how to. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to wave, but baby, sis finna figure out how to do the wave. But what was I saying? I'm sorry, I'm just so distracted by my hair. But yeah, so like I am like making the biggest mess. So let's go ahead and see how this is looking. Because part of me feels like I may have to like borrow some extra hair. I'm so in love with my hair. I cannot wait to put on some earrings, do my eyebrows, and we're taking the boys to Chuck E. Cheese today after school. So sis finna be like fine. Oh my gosh, do y'all see this? Yo. Okay, so let's look at the bald spot. We probably really won't know for real until, oh my gosh, like, and I'd be low key like insecure. I'm gonna say insecure, but I've never had like short, well, like this, like pixie short. I'm going out the camera, sorry y'all. This short, like pixie, like cut, like length hair before. It's always been like them old school like stacks and stuff like that. But my face, you know what I'm saying? Like sometimes like my face is a little, but when I be sick of oh my god, I am so in love. I am so in love. Y'all don't understand how much in love. But I'm going in with these wrap strips. Like I have to be careful. So I think now I may have to start to, I'll have to start to tie it. I think it'll be okay. And then I'm thinking, let's do one more. I don't think my kids gonna pay much attention. I mean, they might, but you know, my boys are a little on the younger side. No, they pay attention because I was editing one of my live videos, and my youngest son Josiah, he's 2. He'll be 3 this year. I should have did these first. Oh well. He'll be 3 this year. He was looking at the video, then like he's looking at my hair, and then he started touching my hair. Like, yes, son, like it's gone. Now, I told you I got a big old head. I look crazy. But anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and set up underneath the dryer. Honestly, I don't know how long I'm gonna get underneath the dryer because the simple fact my hair, y'all, my hair takes forever to dry. Relaxed, natural, locked. Like my hair takes the longest to dry. But just know I'm super excited. I'm definitely glad I did this. Like sis finna be molding her hair down like forever. I don't know. It may make me look a little older than what I really am, but whatever. So Go ahead and get up go ahead and get up underneath this dryer. Yep, and then I'll be back. Clearly, I never came back to show you my results, but this is how it was looking. Like I mentioned in the video, I definitely should have allowed it to process a little bit longer. And then two, I also think that foam that I was using was not the best. Someone ended up giving me some, Naomi, girl, whoever that is, they gave me that foam. And then as you can see, I started to get a little bit better. I also purchased some shorter flat irons, which also helped me, along the process, and I really started feeling it by then. Now, well, by this picture. Now, the wedding. Here is the actual wedding, okay? I just licked it down with some like Fleto gel. I think I put like a little bit of oil on my hands and like some gel, and I just licked it down, y'all. And these are my absolute favorite pictures. They had the perfect like picture area, y'all. This was the bathroom. But anyways, so this pretty much was my go-to hairstyle, just like slick down. A couple times I kind of like loosened up like the bangs, but for the most part, yeah, slick down was the best way to go. Let me see, I did that in October. I want to say 8 weeks was sometime like in December. Clearly my hair has grown, but this was the very last relaxer that I had ever done. And so now I guess we just gonna see what my hair finna be doing next. Thanks, bye.